Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Keena, and in today's video, I'll be showing you guys my current wash and go routine, so let's get started. Okay, so I'm starting this style off with freshly co-washed hair. If you would like to see how I co-wash my hair, check out my last video, and I'm just sectioning my hair. And I like to do my wash and goes while my hair is still damp. I just feel like I get a better result that way. I like to do the lock method for my wash and goes, so I use leave-in conditioner. Instead of oil, I like to use serum. I use Eco Styler gel to style, and I use avocado oil just for my scalp. And I'm just oiling my scalp before I get started. And I'm just starting off with my sections. I like to grab a couple of strands of hair at a time. Starting off with leave-in conditioner, just raking the leave-in conditioner into my hair. And once I feel like my hair is moisturized, I then go in with serum just to seal in that moisture. And then lastly, I like to go in with the gel just to style my hair. And instead of doing the shingling method, I like to use a dimming brush. Cheat code way of doing the shingling method. And I feel like a dimming brush just gives me that added definition. And don't nobody got time to be grabbing every strand of the hair. But I feel like the dimming brush gives me the same result, and it definitely makes my wash and go process a lot quicker. And once I have all the product in my hair, I just like to scrunch up my hair just to give me that added definition. And if my hair gets dry, I just spritz it with some water. Again, I'm just wetting my hair if my hair feels dry. And I'm going in first with the leave-in conditioner. Just raking the leave-in conditioner into my hair. And then once I feel like my hair is moisturized, then I like to go in with my hair serum. And then I like to go in with gel to style. Then I like to use a dimming brush just to shingle my hair. And finally, I like to just scrunch up my hair just to add definition. In the beginning of my natural hair journey, I used to hate doing wash and goes. I could never get them right, and I would be left with a crunchy fro. But years of practice and finding out what products work best for my hair and what method works best for my hair. And I've gotten a lot better at doing them, and wash and goes have actually become one of my favorite spring summer hairstyles. So practice definitely makes perfect. And I'm just going in with some Eco Styler gel just to lay my edges. Gotta get these edges together. And I'm just throwing on an old headband just to lay my edges. And I'm going to let my wash and go air dry for the rest of the day. And I won't stretch it out until the next day. So if you're going to let your wash and go air dry, definitely do it in the morning or early afternoon. Okay, and these are the final results. Yes, my hair was 2 days old in this video, but as you can see, it is curly and defined. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.